Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker Sony with your PC. You have to start by press the Windows button and write Bluetooth. Now click Enter and then click on Add Device, choose Bluetooth. Now press one time at the power button to turn on your speaker, and after that press one time at the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. Now we should see it at the device list and just click on it. Then click Done and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!